India Ming ke channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasni.
Uba Hm Shangpliang MLA Barim ka Mausenram konstituensi ryngkat kilai ngut ki MLA kata ka Ferlin Sangma Benedict Marak Samuel Sangma kelio Bandung Pura kum ki dikhot ke BJP ha ophis BJP ha Delhi mentakasngi ka khatsau tarik kun opera arjar arpuar hakaba la pedang burom da presiden barang ba ka seng BJP UJP Nada hajing sanarlang menteri rang ba ka jala Assam Himanta Biswa ba Ernest Maurya presiden BJP Meghalaya.
Ernest Maurya, we have the MLA from Meghalaya, Sri A.L. Hek, and my MLA colleagues who have joined along with me today, and my dear press friends. It's indeed a great privilege for us to be here in Delhi today. All the four of us have come to join this great party and this great nation. The great party, BJP, has really influenced all the four of us. And before the next elections that is coming in the month of February, we are all prepared to bring the name and the fame of the party of the BJP in the state of Meghalaya. We would like to tell the people of the country that in a place like Meghalaya, the party BJP is growing by the day, and it is getting more impressed by the developmental changes that has been brought in the country by none other than our great Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. The dreams and the visions of Narendra Modi ji, the Honorable Prime Minister, has percolated down up to the grassroots, up to the villages of our state. I can say for sure that the people in my constituency are so aware and impressed by the developmental works that Modi ji has brought to the last mile possible in the village. That is going to bring a change in the coming elections. We are definitely going to take the message of the Prime Minister, the message of the party of BJP to the people of our own constituencies and to the people of the state. We need a change in Meghalaya, and that change can come only through the hands of our Honorable Prime Minister Modi. The party BJP has brought a lot of change in the Northeast. We could see Assam, for that matter, it is growing and growing by the day. Guwahati is becoming the fastest growing city in the country now. And we could see the changes. And these could be possible only because of the BJP. This could be possible